Homeowners' Yearly Plumbing Inspection Guide. Small plumbing issues rarely stay small, and homeowners who delay maintenance until a major problem arises almost always wish they had inspected sooner. An annual plumbing inspection is far less costly and stressful than dealing with water damage. Think of it as a yearly reset for your pipes and fixtures. Start under the sink, checking for damp spots, mineral buildup, or musty odors that signal early trouble before it escalates into something more serious. Run the faucet at full speed, then turn it off. Knocking sounds indicate pipe issues. Check the garbage disposal and dishwasher hose connection, tightening where needed. Check the toilet base for rocking, which may suggest a deteriorating seal, and monitor shower drainage speed since slow drains usually indicate buildup rather than a full blockage. Even a small faucet drip wastes more water and money than you'd expect. Rubber washing machine hoses older than 5 years should be replaced immediately with stainless steel braided alternatives, as they can burst without warning. Watch for excessive vibration during cycles and check the drain pipe for lint buildup that can cause overflow. Set the temperature around 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Flush the tank annually to remove sediment and test the pressure relief valve. Popping sounds, rust, or pooling water are all red flags requiring prompt attention. Run multiple fixtures simultaneously to test pressure consistency and inspect exposed pipes for corrosion or residue around joints. Test outdoor faucets post-winter for cracked pipes and check sprinkler systems for uneven spray that may indicate underground leaks. Cloudy water or fixture buildup may signal mineral issues, while upgrading to efficient fixtures quietly reduces long-term water costs.
Go to GearBrain for more information.